In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move, copy, and delete pages and sections in the OneNote app. Mastering these actions helps you keep your notebooks organized and ensures your notes are easy to navigate. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook where you want to manage your pages or sections. Once your notebook is loaded, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where all your sections and pages are displayed, showing the hierarchy of your notebook. To move a page, click on the Page tab you want to relocate. Then, either drag it to a new section or right-click and select Move or Copy. If you choose Move, OneNote will display a list of all available sections and notebooks. Simply select your desired destination and confirm. The page will now appear in the new location, keeping your notes organized exactly where you need them. If you want to copy a page instead, the process is very similar. Right-click the Page tab and select Copy. Again, a dialog will appear where you can choose the notebook or section to copy the page into. This is useful when you want to duplicate content without altering the original, such as creating a template or referencing a note in multiple projects. Managing entire sections works in the same way. Right-click on the section tab you wish to move or copy, and select the appropriate option. You'll see a list of notebooks where the section can be placed. Moving sections can help reorganize large notebooks, while copying sections is great for creating backups or sharing multiple pages with another notebook. Deleting pages or sections is just as straightforward, but be careful. Right-click on the page or section you want to remove and choose Delete. OneNote will immediately remove the selected content, so make sure you no longer need it, or consider backing it up first. If a page or section is accidentally deleted, you may be able to recover it from the notebook's recycle bin, depending on your OneNote version and account settings. And that's it. By learning how to move, copy, and delete pages and sections, you can maintain a clean, organized notebook that makes your notes more accessible and manageable. Whether you're working on personal projects, school notes, or professional tasks, these tools give you control over how your content is structured. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.